Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're delving into the core of industrial processes as we explore the basic processes and control signals for pumps and another motor. Whether you're an industry professional, student, or just curious about the workings behind the scenes, this video is for you, so let's dive right in. To begin, let's demystify pump control. Pumps play a crucial role in various industries, from manufacturing to water treatment. Understanding how to control them efficiently is fundamental. The key signals involved in pump control include: these signals ensure precise management of pump operations, allowing for optimal performance and resource utilization. Now, let's shift our focus to motor control. Motors are the powerhouse behind many industrial processes, and proper control is essential. The basic control signals for motors encompass. Understanding these signals is like decoding the language motors use to execute specific tasks. Whether it's managing the speed or changing the direction, these signals are the key to a motor's responsiveness. To make these concepts more tangible, let's look at some practical applications. This will give you a clearer picture of how these control signals are applied in real-world scenarios. As we wrap up, it's crucial to understand the broader significance of control systems in industries. Efficient pump and motor control not only optimize processes but also contribute to energy efficiency, cost savings, and overall system reliability. It's the backbone of modern industrial automation. That concludes our exploration of the basic processes and control signals for pumps and another motor. I hope you found this video insightful and gained a better understanding of these fundamental concepts. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.